At Revived Smiles, replacing your missing teeth and regaining your confidence has never been easier. The first step toward your new smile is taking your dental impressions, and we're here to guide you through it. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to achieving a beautiful, natural-looking revived smile. You'll be receiving this kit in the mail. It comes with an instruction manual, impression trays in 2 different sizes, and 4 sets of impression material. Be sure to read the instructions carefully before getting started. Our impression kit also includes an order form with a shade guide for you to choose the tooth and gum shades that best matches your smile. Make sure you're in a clean and well-lit space with a mirror nearby. Now let's get started. First, pick the tray that fits you best. Find out by placing the tray in your mouth. Make sure your teeth and gums should comfortably fit inside the impression tray with a little bit of space between your gums and the tray wall. The upper trays are labeled 1 and 3, and the lower trays are labeled 2 and 4. Take the impression putty. The base is white and the catalyst blue. Mix them together until they become a uniform blue color. You'll have about 30 seconds to do this, so be sure to move quickly. Once the putty is fully mixed, roll it into a log shape and press it evenly into the tray. Make sure the putty is spread evenly throughout the tray. Place the tray in your mouth, making sure your teeth are centered over the putty. Do not let the putty touch your teeth before pressing it up. With your fingers, use gentle but firm pressure to push the tray up, making sure that your teeth and gums are fully covered by the material. Firmly hold it in place for 3 to 5 minutes while the putty sets, and be sure not to move the impression while it's setting. After 3 to 5 minutes, gently remove the tray from your mouth by pulling down. Be careful not to wiggle it too much so we can keep the impression clean and clear. Take a look at the impression. Your impression should be deep, with clear details of your teeth and the full gum line. Take 1 impression of your upper and lower teeth. And don't worry if you need to try again, you'll have some extra material to do so. After you finish taking your impressions, please send photos of your impressions to info@revivedsmiles.com and await approval from one of our smile experts. Once you receive approval, please fill out your order form and place everything back inside the impression kit box. Use the prepaid return label included in your impression kit to send your impressions back to us to begin the crafting process. From there, we will handle the rest. We will craft your brand new custom smile using your impressions so we can revive your smile. Start your smile journey today at Revived Smiles.